Hi, good evening. This is Rech, physical therapist at Rech Physio, talking tonight about treating your body like you treat your car. If you're on here live, just type in live. If you're on the replay, type replay. If you think this is good information, comments just help Facebook send this to more people, so thanks for that. So yeah, if you have a car or anything mechanical or if that needs some maintenance done on it, you know that you need to take care of it. You know that you need to do some regular maintenance on it. So if you have a car, you need to rotate the tires, change the oil, clean it out once in a while, wash it. Same thing for your body. You know, you need to take care of it. You need to move, to do some exercises, do a little mobility work, taking your body through different ranges of motion, especially ranges that you might not take it through regularly. So talk a lot about people sitting a lot. Your hips are bent forward, maybe you're slouched a little bit at work, or if you're reading or looking at your phone or whatnot. So take your body through those opposite ranges of motion. Arch back, look up, stretch your hip flexors, the front of your hip. Get regular exercise, even if it's just walking, short bouts, even if it's 10 minutes at a time, doing something on a regular basis, getting that heart rate up. Eating, nutrition, eating your vegetables, eating well, getting sleep, drinking water, hydrated. So there's all these different things that we can do to do basic maintenance on ourselves, just like you need to do basic maintenance on a car or anything else that you have. The thing is, though, if a car wears out or if you crash or whatever, you can go buy a new one. But our body, we have one, and that's all we get. We can't cash it in or trade it off. With advances in medical technology, we can get hip replacements, knee replacements, things like that, or there's different medications that can kind of keep us going. But it's way better to do the maintenance and keep everything running well and not have that check engine light come on, or not have the knee arthritis or the diabetes or the stroke or whatever that makes you have to take drastic measures. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. So doing basic maintenance, basic exercise, mobility work, stretching, to keep your body moving and feeling good is going to pay off as you age, especially as you get older, when things start to get a little tougher. So basic thing is, you need to take care of your things, you need to take care of your car, do basic maintenance, change the oil and stuff regularly. It's the same thing for your body. You need to do basic maintenance on your body for exercise, stretching, mobility, eating, nutrition, sleeping. So just think about that. You only get one body, take care of it, and if you do, it's going to take care of you throughout your life. So thanks everybody for watching. If you have any if you're having pain or nobody who's not moving well or having pain needs help with that, reach out to me. I'm doing free 20-minute consults over telehealth, so I can check it out and see if that's something that we can move forward with to help you out. So thanks for watching and have a good night.